Healthcare advocates say those enrollment numbers speak to the overwhelming need for precisely this type of expansion here in North Carolina, especially in our rural counties. Again, these were people that were living below the poverty line but making too much to previously qualify for Medicaid.
An incredible impact for healthcare for them when they didn't have any before. They couldn't afford it.
Healthcare advocate Rachel Vaughters has spent the last 6 years helping North Carolinians get coverage, working with many who before this year fell into what was known as the Medicaid gap.
They're so close to being covered, and this expansion has just created opportunity for them to finally get coverage where they were on that cusp.
That's no longer the case in the Tar Heel state, which is marking its first full year with Medicaid expansion this week. That expansion has led to a whopping 600,000 enrollees in year one, more than double the state's projection. According to the NCDHHS, that includes 3.8 million prescriptions filled and roughly $58 million in dental claims covered.
Medicaid expansion was always about the hard-working North Carolinians who desperately needed and deserved access to health care.
Governor Roy Cooper touting the success of Medicaid expansion today in Greenville, saying a third of those enrolled come from North Carolina's rural communities.
It's a story that took many twists and turns, but through all of them, we knew that we could never, ever give up.
Those are historically problem spots when it comes to coverage, places that form healthcare deserts, precisely the people that experts say needed expansion the most.
This is what we hope for, is to reach those people who can't access good care.
In the lead up to expansion going live, state health officials estimated it would make roughly 600,000 North Carolinians eligible for new care. That's roughly the amount that they've seen enroll in year one. Those health officials calling those numbers a smashing success. In Raleigh, Sean Coffey, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.